In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently download and set up Google Drive for desktop using the ipv4.google.com service. This process not only makes uploading and syncing your files quicker, but also enhances your overall productivity and user experience. Let's jump right in and get started on this seamless journey of setting up Google Drive on your desktop. Begin by opening your preferred web browser and heading over to the Google search engine. In the search bar, type in Google Drive Download and hit the Enter key. You'll see a list of results, and what you're looking for should be right at the top. Click on the link that says Download Google Drive. This will take you to the official Google Drive page where you can find options for downloading the desktop version of Google Drive. Once you're on the page, you will see the option labeled Download Drive for Desktop. Click on it to initiate the download. This step might take a few moments as the file is being downloaded to your computer, depending on your internet speed. Google Drive for Desktop is a powerful tool that allows for faster and more stable uploads compared to using the web version. It also supports background syncing, meaning your files will automatically synchronize while you continue to work on other tasks. This hands-off approach means that you don't have to worry about manually uploading files each time. To make the most out of the setup, it's important to ensure that your internet connection is optimized. A strong and reliable connection is crucial for stable uploads and syncing. Here are some handy tips. If possible, try to use a wired Ethernet connection instead of Wi-Fi. A wired connection is generally more stable and provides faster speeds, reducing the chance of any interruptions. If a wired connection isn't an option and you must rely on Wi-Fi, make sure to position yourself closer to your router. Doing so often results in a stronger signal and better performance. Also, consider pausing any other downloads or streaming apps you might have running. This can free up bandwidth, allowing Google Drive to upload and sync efficiently. If your router supports dual band frequencies, switching to a 5GHz Wi-Fi connection is another excellent way to boost your speeds. The 5GHz band often offers faster data rates compared to the 2.4 GHz band, which is more susceptible to interference from devices like microwaves and cordless phones. Following these steps and tips should provide you with an optimal setup for Google Drive on your desktop. With the ability to upload and sync files swiftly, you can make better use of your time, leaving you to focus on what truly matters. I hope you found this guide helpful, and stay tuned for more tips on enhancing your tech skills and productivity.